The National Electrical Code, NEC, Article 384 addresses panel boards. Specifically, 384.16 focuses on working space. Working space in front of electrical equipment must not be less than that specified in Table 110.34. Table 110.34 details working space in depth. Under the condition where there are switches, circuit breakers, fuses, thermal cutouts, push buttons, or other controlled devices that are likely to require replacement, adjustment, service, or maintenance while energized, and where one or more persons must work, a minimum depth of 3 feet, which is 914 millimeters, must be provided from the face of the equipment to the opposite wall or permanent barrier. The lateral clear space, which is the space on the sides and back, must not be less than 30 inches or 760 millimeters. Based on the information provided, if the subpanel has only 1.5 feet of working space above the floor, it violates NEC 384.16 and Table 110.34. Several solutions exist to address this issue. Firstly, the subpanel could be raised. Mounting the subpanel higher on the wall ensures at least 3 feet of working space above the floor. Secondly, a step or platform could be created. Installing a step or platform in front of the subpanel provides additional height, meeting the working space requirement. Thirdly, the subpanel could be relocated. Moving the subpanel to a location that provides adequate working space as per NEC 384.16 and Table 110.34 will resolve the violation. The requirement in Table 110.34 specifies that a minimum depth of 3 feet, or 914 millimeters, of working space is needed in front of electrical equipment that requires service or maintenance while energized.